Hi everyone, I'm Joffrey Cho with the Pixel on the Go blog, and I'm here with Dr. Marc Sabatine, one of the lead authors on the PEGASUS trial presented here at ACC 2015. So thank you for being here with us, Dr. Sabatine. And for those fellows who are not able to attend the meeting, can you go over some of the background, results, and conclusions of the PEGASUS trial?
Sure, no, thanks for having me. So really the background for Pegasus is that currently our guidelines have that we treat patients who've had an ACS with aspirin indefinitely, and then with a P2Y12 inhibitor for 12 months. And that's because the ACS trials only went for 12 months. So we really had an evidence gap there. And so in PEGASUS-TIMI 54, we enrolled patients who had a history of MI 1 to 3 years prior, and then randomized them to one of three arms. Everyone got low-dose aspirin by way of background therapy. They either then were randomized to get ticagrelor 90 milligrams twice daily, that's the dose that was studied and approved in acute coronary syndromes, or to get ticagrelor 60 milligrams twice daily, which based on modeling should achieve slightly lesser but still robust degree of platelet inhibition, or to placebo. We enrolled 21,162 patients. They were followed on average for just under 3 years. And we found that both doses of ticagrelor significantly decreased the primary endpoint, which is cardiovascular death, MI, or stroke. For the 90 milligram dose, it decreased it by 15%. For the 60 milligram dose, by 16%.
Okay. And so, was there any changes in bleeding between the two groups?
Sure. So as we give an antithrombotic, as we expect that there's more bleeding, both doses of ticagrelor increase the risk of TIMI major bleeding, but importantly, there was no difference in so-called irreversible bleeding, no difference in fatal bleeding, no difference in intracranial hemorrhage.
So since this is new data and there's no there's no guidelines to represent what has come out yet, for the fellows, would you recommend that we go ahead and dose with 60 or 90?
Well, the 60 isn't available yet. It's only in the 90. So I think currently I would say the practice change would be what I'm going to do for my patients is my ACS patients, when they come in, I treat them with low-dose aspirin and ticagrelor for 1 year. Now I know not to stop the ticagrelor and keep it going. I think you raise a great point, and I think when the 60 milligram dose becomes available, which I suspect that AstraZeneca will develop that, then I would drop them down to 60 at the 12-month mark.
Thank you, Dr. Sabatine.